Today, we are going to see what interpreters are. By the definition, interpreter is a language processor which bridges an execution gap without generating a machine code. Before going to the interpretation process, we must know how program runs. This PC stands for program counter, is pointing towards machine code which is stored in the main memory, and line by line it points to each and every instruction and that get executed. So this machine code and this data is stored in main memory, and this program counter line by line execute that machine code. This is what a general program execution process is. But in case of interpreter, it bridges the execution gap without generating the machine code. That means here, instead of generating a machine code program, it directly stores the source code. Now we can see interpretation does not convert complete program to machine code. Those are the compilers who converts the complete program to machine code, not the interpreters. So what interpreter does? It reads source line by line, analyze it and execute the statement. If we are going to draw a block diagram similar to this block diagram for interpretation process, this will be this program counter pointing towards the source line. Source program is stored in main memory with the data, and interpretation is nothing but reading the source code line by line, analyzing it, and executing it directly. If in this general program execution there are some errors, those are analyzed during compilation process and errors are indicated before execution. But in case of interpretation, line by line source program is analyzed, and if there is an error, the execution is stopped in between and the error is indicated. This is how the interpretation process works.